Welcome back guys to my channel. Today I'm going to cook seasoned rice. We call it Jamaica seasoned rice. And in my rice, you know, we have to have salt fish. We call catfish. Also a chocho. And my pumpkin here. And I'm gonna put mushroom, and I'm gonna use this rice. This is the rice I'm gonna use, and I also is using my this vegetable, mixed vegetable. And over here I have scallion, thyme, onion, and pepper. And I also have my pepper. Okay, in this container I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. I'm gonna get my chocho and my pumpkin ready. Okay. Okay, so I put everything in this bowl, and I'm just washing everything. Up here. Yeah. Okay, dice this is smaller. I can dice them like this. Cooking season rice. Okay. I stove it at medium, and I'm gonna put my pumpkin and my chocha first. But you know they take a little time to cook. Okay, so I'm gonna allow my pumpkin and my chocha to for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna have 1 more cup of water in my pot. Green pepper. Everything here. My mushroom. Oh, looking good. mixed vegetable. My saltfish. And I'm gonna use half of this. I'm gonna make it boil for a little. And then I add my rice. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, let me give it a cover and get my rice prepared. 3 cups of rice. I'm gonna watch it hot to my pot on the fire. Looking good and ready for my rice. I'm gonna put on olive oil. I'm gonna put it in my pot here. And I'm gonna have my rice. Okay, this is vegetable rice. Right. Looking good. Okay. I'm keeping my pot. Oh, wow. Wow, looking very nice. Rich and nice. I'm gonna let it steam for another 5 minutes. Okay, this is my finishing touch. Looking very good. So this is my seasoned rice. Oh, I'm gonna get a taste. Very nice. Mmm. 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 I'm telling you, this is very nice. Mmm. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comments down below. Okay? Thank you.